How to request a refund on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can request a refund on Rex Airlines. To request a refund on Rex Airlines, you would have to cancel your flight. And how do you cancel your flight? Log in into your Rex Airlines account, move to the section where you can see book flights and then manage bookings. Then click on manage bookings. And you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to enter in your booking reference, your first name, your last name. Then click on retrieve booking to be taken to the page where you can see the flight that you would like to cancel. So select the flight and then choose the option to cancel the flight, all right, on the flights page. So once you've seen this option, you would see cancel flight or request a refund, whichever one you see there, ensure you select it. Then once you've done that, follow the prompt to confirm your cancellation, and then you must note that the return eligibility depends on your fare type. Okay, so in case you cannot find it there, take note of that and then reach out to the customer support. But you must know that the return policy of the return eligibility depends on your fare type. So flexi fares are generally refundable, while other fares may be eligible for a credit. So that means that if you're on a flexi fare, you'd be able to request a refund without having to pay additional fee. But other fares may be eligible by paying a certain amount of money. And then once your flight is cancelled, you are entitled to a refund and you would get your money back. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.